Is screen sharing not working in Cisco Webex? Whether the share button is unavailable, participants can't see your screen, or screen sharing fails to start, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Cisco Webex screen sharing not working in 2026. First, make sure Cisco Webex has permission to capture your screen. On macOS, you'll need to enable screen recording permission for Webex, while Windows users should verify that privacy or security settings aren't blocking screen capture. Next, confirm that the meeting host has allowed participants to share their screens. In some meetings, only the host or designated presenters can start screen sharing. When you click the Share button, choose whether you want to share your entire screen, a specific application, or a browser window. Selecting the correct option helps avoid sharing problems. If screen sharing still isn't working, close other applications such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, OBS Studio, or screen recording software. These programs can interfere with screen capture. Now update Cisco Webex to the latest version. Software updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements that resolve screen sharing issues. Finally, restart your computer and rejoin the meeting. If the issue continues, test screen sharing in another Webex meeting to determine whether the problem is related to the meeting itself or your device. And that's how to fix Cisco Webex screen sharing not working in 2026. In most cases, checking permissions, confirming sharing privileges, updating Webex, and restarting your device will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.